Hi guys, it's Peggy from Peggy's Tropical Garden. Thanks for joining me today. I'm coming to you with yet another unboxing. I love learning of new small businesses small nurseries or plant sellers. Because sometimes you can find some really good things at some very reasonable prices. Case in point, I found this company called Thorn and Raised. And it is out of Los Angeles, California. I was helped by a young lady there by the name of Alexandria, who answered all of my questions. She was so very, very helpful. So I'd like to thank Alexandria for all of her help. She gave me some growing tips. This plant that I ordered and received today is one of those plants that I can't keep alive. This is attempt number 4 on this same plant. I'm stubborn. I'm determined that I'm going to figure this out. So, do you have a plant like that? I think everybody has a plant like that. There's something that they just have to have, and every time you get it, it dies. You kill it, you kill it, you kill it. But anyway, I'm determined that I'm going to have one of these, and it's going to be great. I did open the box, but I have not yet unpacked anything. I almost ripped it open and forgot to do my unboxing like I always do, but I didn't forget. Let's see here. Alright, you get an invoice with the name of the plant as well as the price, and it shows how much you paid for shipping and everything. And I mention that sometimes because, you know, a lot of times from companies you get the invoice and it just tells you the name of the plant and your total. It doesn't break it all down. And for some reason I do find that I need to know my total. I want to see any discounts I got. I want to see my shipping and all of that. So, now to the plant. Alright, here. Now this may be something you're familiar with. This, ladies and gentlemen, is a clump of Buddhist temple. There's several of them there. And I got this, got all kinds of little pups coming off too. So I purchased this entire clump of Buddha temple. Let me see how many are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And here's a little pup with pups and another little pup. So a couple little pups. But they're not extremely big, but they have a nice root system on them. The plants look good. Don't see anything on them that looks like damage or anything. So this plant here is like, oh my gosh, I love these, but I can't grow them. I'm still trying, and I'm determined to be successful this time. Do you have a Buddhist temple? How do you grow it? Give me some tips. All tips are welcome. Like I said, Alexandria did give me some tips and ideas of how to care for this plant. She told me how it was being grown at their facility, so that's always helpful. If you can find a seller that's willing to tell you that kind of stuff, was this plant in sunlight? Was it under grow light? How often do you water it and all of that? And you can kind of find out the conditions that it was in. It's always going to be helpful for you when you're trying to get it started in your location. Fortunately, Los Angeles, I believe it's still warm there. I'm in South Florida in the Keys. It's very warm here still, so I'm thinking that this plant may do the transfer nicely, the transition. So there you go again. Buddhist temple. This is a crassula. Okay, it's a stacking crassula. As you know, I've been getting a lot of those lately. But anyway, again, what's your experience with Buddhist temple? Have you been able to keep one alive? Have you been successfully growing one? If so, share with us, because I'm sure I'm not the only one who's killing these things left and right, and I'm determined that this is my last time trying. I say that, but I doubt it. Anyway, if you have a plant that you also have trouble growing, share it with us. Let us know down in the comment section. And you never know, if you see somebody down there in the comment section that is struggling to grow a plant that you have been successful with, why not give them some pointers, help them out a little bit? That's what I would like my channel to be. It's not like I'm a, advanced gardener or anything. I'm just telling you what I do and how I do it, and sometimes I'm successful and sometimes I'm not. So if we can help each other out, that's what it's all about. So again, if you see someone in the comments section saying that they're having some issues with a particular plant or whatever, if I can help you out with it, I will. If there's someone else who can help you out, feel free to do so. Let's help each other out in the plant community, right? We're all a family. Anyhow, so that's it. That's the only plant that I did get. I'm determined to make it happen. Again, Crassula Buddhist Temple. Nice root system. That's about it, I guess. Told you it would be a quick video. Stuck to my word. Anyway, thanks for stopping by. You're always welcome. I enjoy having you. Take time out to do something fabulous in your garden. Bye-bye.